To use a Visa gift card on Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app and logging into your account. Browse through the available restaurants. Select the one you want to order from, and add your desired food items to your cart by tapping the plus icon next to each item. Once you've added all your items, tap Add to Cart and then View Cart at the bottom of the screen. From there, proceed to the checkout page by tapping Go to Checkout. If prompted to add more food items, you can decline by tapping No thanks. On the checkout page, review your order details and confirm your address. Next, scroll down to the Payment Method section and tap Add Payment Method. Select the credit or debit card option, which is where you'll enter your Visa gift card information, including the name, card number, expiry date, and security code. After entering this information, tap Save and return to the checkout page. Finally, tap Place Order at the bottom of the screen to complete your purchase. This process allows you to conveniently use a Visa gift card to make a payment on Uber Eats.